Internships are valuable for students for so many reasons. They are great opportunities for a student to get actual experience applying what they've learned in the classroom to a real-world situation. It's really important for students to demonstrate to employers the skills that they have put into action from Brandeis International Business School. It's what employers are looking for on a business school student's resume.
Last summer, I interned at EY, and it was a great experience, and I actually got to apply a lot of the concepts that I learned at the International Business School.
This past summer, I interned for Bank of America in Charlotte, North Carolina. The careers team was definitely instrumental in me landing the internship at the bank. I definitely would not be in the position I am and have the job I have without them.
As a student coming here and gaining these real-world experiences, it only makes me a better candidate in the field I wish to pursue.
My internship with EY was a great success, and they were able to offer me a full-time offer after the internship ended, and I'm really excited to be joining them after graduating.
The careers team is with our students every step of the way. From before they even arrive, where we work with students to make sure their resume is in business school format, to meeting individually with their career coach to talk about their own job search strategy or to prepare for an interview. All of these experiences give our students the chance to be right there in an organization and use the things that they're learning in the classroom in an actual business setting.